How to pay with cash in MyTruConnect. Let's get started. First, log into your MyTruConnect account. Great! Now select what you want to purchase, top-ups or devices. For this video, let's choose top-ups. Cash payment is available for purchases $5 and above. At checkout, select Pay with Cash. Preview nearby retail locations that accept PaysafeCash. Next, enter an address, zip code, or town to see exact store details. Here, you'll see a list of available stores in the area that you selected. Please note that you will be directed to the PaysafeCash website during this process. Remember, you must press the back button to return to MyTruConnect. Continue your payment by selecting Pay with Cash. You'll be redirected to Paysafe's website. Click Continue. A secure barcode will be generated for your transaction. Scroll down and click Save Barcode. Screenshot, download, print, text, or email your barcode. Note, your barcode expires in 24 hours. If you select Send to Email, you'll also be automatically signed up to receive helpful payment updates, including confirmation once your payment is complete. Take your barcode to a nearby retail location that accepts PaysafeCash. Show the cashier your barcode and pay in cash. Don't forget to collect your receipt. You'll get a push notification once payment is confirmed. It may take a few minutes to process, so don't worry if you don't see it immediately. You're all set! Cash payments are really that simple. Download the MyTruConnect app to get started today. You can also scan the QR code to download the app, because staying connected shouldn't depend on how you pay. Thanks for watching. Visit us at TruConnect.com for more information.